dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey.
Show me the money.
Looks like we're going for $1 million.
Show you the money.
I can't believe it.
No. Show you the money.
Motivation.
Show me the money.
All your lifelines intact.
This is right now the time to bet.
If you miss, you'll be reduced by $468,000.
And you do that for input as to
So if you're ready, let's go for the million.
That's so you. Get rich. Show me the money. But not trying.
I like to call my parents right now.
Show me the money.
And we'll see if he can help you.
This is not about the money. This is about you and me.
It's about doing the right thing.
Hello, Tom.
Yeah.
It's about the game.
Hi, Regis Philbin here from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Show me the money.
And he's going for $1 million.
Show me the money.
John, you've got 30 seconds. Starts right now.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
I don't really need your help, but I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to win the $1 million.
Well, first I want to clarify, I'm not fake Steve Jobs.
Because the U.S. president appeared on Laugh-In as Richard Nixon, that's my final answer.
He's won $1 million.